Hi everyone, welcome to Placements Prep. This video is a representative guide for the candidate to understand the candidate instructions and exam login process. And welcome to the video on remote proctored assessment. In this video, we will specifically take a look at the end-to-end candidate instructions which you have to follow during remote proctored assessment. It is very important to start with self-registration and launcher download 2 hours prior to the assessment. Do not start the launcher before the assessment start time. And note, during the examination you are being observed by a remote proctor. If you indulge in any malpractice, you will be debarred or disqualified from giving the examination. And next is Infra Readiness Check IRC. In this step, ensure that your systems and internet bandwidth speed are checked against the require of taking the remote assessment. These are the factors which will be checked on your system, and next we will be looking after each of the above mentioned factors one by one. And this step will be performed over a 3-day period so that every candidate can get this check done as per their convenience. Once complete, this step will help ensure that your infrastructure is ready for the exam. And in case if you face any issues during this process, you will have an ability to communicate the issue technical help desk through live chat option available on the link received in your mail. And next is availability of webcam. The system to be used must be either an integrated webcam or an attached webcam. Ensure the webcam is functioning. To check this, open webcam application installed on the system. For example, type webcam in search bar to locate application and click few sample pictures and video of self. And next is ensure uninterrupted and exclusive access to webcam. And close all third-party applications installed on your system to capture images or videos including webcam. And uninstall UCAM software for the duration of assessment. And next step is active and dedicated internet bandwidth. Active and consistent internet connectivity is required throughout the session. And next, firewall and proxy settings. For a system with active firewall, ensure that firewall setting is turned off for the duration of assessment. Disable all proxy settings. And your system screen resolution. Please ensure system screen resolution is set to 1024 into 720 only. And next, browser setting. Recommended Google Chrome browser for best experience. Please verify the upcoming key checkpoints in browser setting before starting self-registration or the assessment. And next, zoom level. Set the browser zoom level to 100%. Please access the zoom level setting by clicking on three vertical dots displayed on right hand corner of your browser window as shown. Access to camera should be allowed for browser. On Google Chrome, please navigate to settings and privacy and go to privacy and security and go to site settings and click on the camera. Make the camera option to be allowed. Please follow the steps mentioned in the linked website for more information about browser access to camera. Note, in case you are using organizational control system, it is possible that organization security policy would require admin access to change these settings. And next is antivirus. Please read the points which is displayed on the screen to check antivirus. And next is launcher details. The IBA launcher once downloaded can be used for future assessments. You need not download the launcher every time before the assessment. System upgrades the launcher if any update is available while launching. And next, operating system version. In case if your desktop or laptop is using Windows 7 operating system, then check and ensure if it has the latest version pack installed. There are two types of service pack check. Approach 1, you have to follow these steps which is displayed on the screen. And next approach 2 is you have to check these steps which has been displayed on the screen. And next, if the service pack is not installed, follow the instructions to download and install service pack 1 from following URL. Repeat the steps given in the previous approaches to verify the version again. In case the service pack is not installed, please arrange for a separate system to take the exam. In case an error encountered says failed to execute script main, it is an indication of incorrect operating system being used. And next is general troubleshooting. In case any issue is encountered during course of assessment with an error message indicating session is logged, please follow the steps which has been displayed on the screen. And after that, please ensure the browser has full access to webcam and there are no running an active firewall and or antivirus programs. And follow these photo upload guidelines. Please avoid registering in low light or against the light. Face should be well lit. Face should occupy more than 50% in the registered image. Please look straight into the camera so that entire face is clearly visible for capture. Make sure that all parts of your face are clearly visible and not covered by any objects. Objects like, for example, sunglasses, etc. Capture 5 photos for self-registration. And some of the prerequisites you have to follow during these remote proctored assessments. First one is remote proctored assessments requires active internet connection throughout the session. The exam is monitored using computer or device camera. Therefore, ensure you sit in a well-lit area while taking assessment. And next is your face should always be visible properly in the camera. Do not cover your face or camera while taking the assessment. It is recommended that you sit with a wall behind you to avoid any background movements on the camera. And the last step is the exam URL and credentials will be shared with you prior to the exam. Please ensure you keep checking your email for the same. And all the best for your exam. Please stay tuned to my channel for more updates. Thank you.